Everyone talks about passive income, but few show you exactly where to start. These 10 products are beginner-friendly, easy to customize, and perfect for starting your digital business today. We have bundles of 10 products that include the Small Business Bundle that has social media templates, business plan templates, and 10 more that are editable in Canva. You will also find the Manifestation Bundle, Kids Activity Products. You also get the Airbnb Management Bundle. You also get a guide on Etsy and Pinterest that teaches you how to resell your products. Here is the Pet Niche Bundle, Editable Wedding Bundle that has invitation cards, wedding planner, sitting plan, among others. We have also included Productivity Bundle and a full blueprint on how to sell digital products. There are a lot of bonuses that come with this bundle that includes Facebook ads training, Canva guide, Pinterest course, web design, and more that will help you learn how to sell digital products. No design experience needed, no complicated tech. Just pick your product, customize it in Canva, set your price, and start selling. If you're serious about building income online, this is your easiest first step. Grab the bundle, customize it, and start earning. Don't wait too long because this offer won't last.